Mabuhay and welcome to another edition of What's New. Today we've got this, the 2020 Subaru XV GT. To the untrained eye, it doesn't look like anything's been changed. But if you go a little lower, you'll notice this front bumper lip has been extended. Subaru says this is to give it a more sleek look, which they've pulled off, if you ask me. From the side, what stands out most are these newly designed rims, which are exclusive, mind you, to the XV GT. Also, you've got this chrome side skirt, which carries on over from the front. That's pretty much it for the side. Let's see what's out back here. Over here at the back, the most notable feature is this rear roof spoiler, which according to Subaru gives it a more additional performance through downforce, which I'm not entirely sure how they prove, but hey, looks really good to me. And just to complete the GT look, they've also extended the rear lip of this bumper. That's pretty much it for the outside. Let's see what's inside. For the GT edition, Subaru has opted to upgrade the leather upholstery, which they say is inspired by performance luxury GTs from Europe, giving it a more premium feel. It's also got this nice two-tone stitch contrast, orange and white. It's nice. It's also got this infotainment system that's integrated onto the center stack, which compared to other cars looks really good. You've got your standard navigation and multimedia functions in here. But the biggest feature in here are these pair of cameras that are hidden up here. That houses the Subaru EyeSight system, which acts as an additional pair of eyes to aid in safety, like pre-collision warnings and more. Overall, the cosmetic additions to the Subaru XV GT make it even look sportier than before. And kudos to Subaru for that, because it's already looked that part even as a non-GT variant. But if you want something truly unique, this is the one for you. It's still the same capable crossover it always was, with additional more sprinkles now to make it stand out even more. If you enjoyed this video, which I undoubtedly assure that you did, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel below. And if you want anything and everything automotive locally and globally, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!